Well, hello there. I'm Alena Chapman, founder of Manifesto. Today, I want to talk about this topic that a lot of us kind of know deep down in ourselves, but we never admit. And some of us don't even know it and are affected greatly in our lives. And it's the self-sabotage that is so subtle that we don't even know it's there, but yet we all fall for it. It's very interesting. I was always a very confident person in many ways. I was always very goal-driven in my younger days. I'm very much of an achiever, love progress, still do. But I thought I had it together and I was doing great. But there was a self-sabotage that was every single step of the way, even though I thought I felt sure. And that is, I had filled my world with people that did not have the same type of belief in me that I had in myself. It's very interesting, and everyone can be so well-meaning. They all think they're taking the safe road, the good road, the don't get your hopes too high road. And what they actually do is slowly chip away at you and your goals. It is a self-sabotage because we fill our life with that. Now, I have to say that was the first part of my life. That was when I was just getting out into my college days. I was going for all my wonderful auditions. I was very fortunate. I was a singer. I was singing opera. I was operatically trained, okay? So a lot of the auditions I was going for were opera, for shows, for singing La Traviata or La Boheme or whatever, right? All the operas. Well, anyway, all those auditions, my mom would come with me. But this is the thing, even though she was trying to offer support, and she was wonderful to be there with me, which was very sweet of her, she was always putting in very subtle ways of undermining my confidence. I don't even think she knew she was doing that, because you see, people who live in fear, people who live in limitation, they will put every single little safeguard that chops away at the focus you have. If you are focused in something, you are thinking, this is my target. That's where the arrow's going, right there. I used to be an archer. So that's where I'm going. And this is what I'm going to do to get there. And you have got blinders on and you're there. But if you have this person who's saying, well, wait a minute, do you really want to do it that way? Oh, well, maybe you don't want to do that practice room. When you're thinking, I just got to vocalize and get warmed up, they're thinking, well, you don't want to really go there. They put little things in your way. And it makes your mind kind of do a twisty turn. You don't even know it. It's all subtle. And before you know it, you're off track. That is a self-sabotage only because you've allowed yourself to have that person with you. Now, this happens so incredibly often. We can have that person who wants to start that business and have the well-intending friends saying, oh, my dear, it's just not the time. Do you think it's really the time? Can't you start it next month? Or it sounds so logical, but it's not. It's a self-sabotage. It is a way to slow you down. If you build the confidence in your life and you know that this is where you want to go and your eye is on that target, then this is the time. Don't let someone slow you down. Don't let someone tell you different. Don't let any well-meaning friend derail you from what you need. So they have this old saying that successful people surround themselves with successful people. And there's a reason for that. Because other successful people are very much in tune with that focus. Now, it doesn't mean you can't have friends who you grew up with that you love, or parents that are always there. But pick your experts. Always pick your experts. And those are the people you listen to. Okay? Those are the wisest words I have from people that when I was growing up, told me. It changed my life. I had singing teachers who said, pick your experts and don't let people derail you. And I think it's time for me to just pass that on. As always, everyone, love is spirit. So when we fill our lives with spirit and we fill our lives for the love of living and achieving and being somewhere where we know we're supposed to be, we're living with spirit. Namaste to you all. May this bring you peace, prosperity, and abundance. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on a single thing. Subscribe below. And here's something else I think you'll enjoy. Namaste.